Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing egg salad sandwich, but this one's going to be a little different because I'm going to add one of my favorite things, Cholula. So for our ingredients, of course, egg. These two have been left out to be a little more room temperature, and mayo. Now I kind of smuggled this from Norway, but you can use whatever mayo you want, or you can make your own mayo. I'm being lazy today, so I'm not making my own mayo. But yeah, this one's my favorite. So we're gonna need some creme fraiche, some mustard. I just like Dijon, Cholula. We're gonna have cilantro. This is optional. You don't have to have it because I know a lot of people don't like Cholula. And then we need scallions and chives and cucumber to decorate on the top, and English muffin. You can use whatever kind of bread you want. You don't have to use English muffin, but I really like this, and it makes a little simple lunch kind of thing. So I already got the water boiling. I'm gonna add the eggs into the water. So just add the eggs. Oops. Oh, I cracked that one. My bad. Add some salt. Oh, shit. You know what, though? Shit like this happens sometimes. Set the timer for 10 minutes. If you're taking the egg straight out from the refrigerator and it's cold, add an extra minute. Do 11 minutes. They need to be hard boiled for the egg salad. So, while that is going, we can make the sauce. To start off, we're going to take mayo. Now, like I said, this is Norwegian mayo. You can use American mayo. I just prefer this one. I don't know why. It's so much better in Norway. But we're going to have a little less than a full teaspoon. So I got a half one here just to pay attention to it. So half-ish. And not a full another one. There we go. Dijon. Just do the same with that. Actually, we're gonna have a one. So we're just gonna do a full one. Cool. Maybe wipe this off. Because we're gonna grab some creme fraiche. And if you're wondering, is creme fraiche the same as sour cream? No, it is not. Sour cream will give you something completely different. Just do this. Yes, so we're gonna grab about, yeah, almost one, so 2 pieces of this, but this gets stuck. This does this every time. Okay. And another one, maybe not full so much there. Whatever. And then we're gonna add Cholula. So I'm gonna say, how about that much? Yeah, like a half. Half should be good. This is all about taste, you guys. So if you want it even spicier, you can add something spicier. Play with it, see what you like. This isn't too spicy. Cholula isn't really spicy, in my opinion. So, there are spicier ones if you want to prefer to add that. But this is just how I'm doing it. So, we're gonna whip it all together. See, it gets like a nice kind of orangey color. Thanks, Cholula. I almost forgot. We need to add salt and pepper. Just, you know, whatever. You don't need to measure this. Now we need to chop these, and we need to chop these and mix it with the sauce. So you just grab a knife. Let's just start with these ones. Grab a knife. These are already washed. Wash your stuff, you guys. Just do it. I'm gonna do it like in half like this. Just save some time because I am lazy. Oh, it didn't even cut. There we go. So just kind of, however big or small you want the cuts, I just do kind of like this. I kind of like the crunchiness of it, so I'm doing that. Adding this in here. Doing the same with the chives. So, just grabbing all of that, adding that in there. And if you're thinking this looks very little, I mean it is. This is for one person. So if you're doing this as a breakfast to somebody else, or you want to make more for more people, literally just multiply. Super simple math. We have calculators on our phones, so that's super easy. But this is just for literally one egg muffin split in half for me. So I'm going to be toasting these because we have about 4 minutes left on the eggs. I'm going to toast these. So grab your toaster. I found this beautiful toaster at Target in the kids section. You gotta love it. So I'm going to toast the English muffin. And then this again is like completely up to you. Wow, I can't speak. Up to you. How long you want to cook it. I usually do it for between 2.5, because I don't like them like burnt. I don't like it toasty. I like just a little warm. So now we wait. I just realized I kind of lied to you guys earlier in my previous episode. I promised you a longer episode, and I'm realizing this is not going to be that much longer. I will do the next one longer. But this is actually wasn't really planned what I was going to do, because this I've just developed myself. A friend of mine just mentioned that he had egg salad for lunch, and I started really like playing around with making it myself, because you know, egg salad is really good. And I do like the little spiciness, the little extra flavor of it. You can use Tabasco, you can use Cholula, you can use Sriracha if you want. You can use like, there's some like super hella spicy stuff. You can use that if you want to live on the edge a little. But this is just how I figured I like it. I've done this for breakfast and lunch a couple times, so it's good. The toast is done. I'm gonna leave it in the toaster to kind of try to stay a little warm. Now we have 1 minute left on the eggs. And yeah, I fucked these eggs up. I cracked one of them. So do what I'm doing, but better. Okay? Good. Now, an important thing with eggs, when you're doing this, you have to rinse it off with cold water so that it doesn't continue boiling. You don't want it overboiled. So take it off, pour cold water over it, like pour out the hot water, pour in cold water. Do that a few different times. And then they're also not going to be too hot to touch because we have to peel it, you know? And that kind of hurts if it's like really boiling hot. Or at least like I have like very sensitive fingers, so it hurts me. But yes, this way it stops the boiling process already that's in there. But yeah. I'm gonna do that. Be right back. Now, a trick I like to do is have paper towel down when I'm cracking the eggs. That way afterwards I can just grab it, take the peel, throw it in the trash. Easy. So I'm just gonna lay that down. Grabbing the eggs. And I'm simply gonna kind of roll them around. There, put that over there, do the same with this one. And now I can just gather this up and throw it in the trash. We're gonna chop these, just kind of roughly chop them, however size you like, but it is gonna be in the salad, so I like doing a little smaller sizes. It's so hot. Ow. Ooh. Okay. Oh, cool. Oh god, it's hot. Okay, putting that in here. Ow. We're gonna mix this around with the sauce. And this, you can actually leave this in the fridge. So if you make like a big batch, if you're having like a group of people over or going to a potluck or whatever, you can make a bunch of this and put it in a bowl and like cover it up and put it in the fridge and it'll be totally fine. This is totally good cool as well as warm. So plating, I'm not even gonna do this time. I've done this every episode. Just buy nice plates. They don't have to be expensive to be nice, but have some cool funky plates or something. Makes it a little more fun. Grab the muffins, and then we're gonna just pour this over. Oops, keep it on, keep it on. So, trying to keep it even amount on each of them. You take a glass of this sauce and just okay. Now I talked about this before. I like decorating in odd numbers because it's aesthetically pleasing. I don't know why. I'm assuming it's some kind of psychological thing. Maybe. If you know, let me know because I'm actually curious what it is. But odd numbers looks really good plating wise. So I'm going to put these a little like going around. You can put 3. Yeah, let's do 3. Like this. And then a little pretty one like that. Do the same on this one. Like this. Atlas? I'm making food, so now he's getting hungry. Shut up. Okay, don't eat my cord. Go away. Thank you. Bye-bye. Rude. Rude. Okay. So then we're going to take a couple other ones and just decorate over here because plating, right? Then we put that there. Put another one. This one maybe here. And the others we can decorate with here. And then this way you have a little bit extra if you want more on your sandwich afterwards. But this way it just kind of looks pretty to start with. Yeah. No, we don't need that. Maybe like that. This one's not bending the way I want it to do. So something like that, right? Ta-da! And here we go. Egg salad sandwich a la Liz. Basically, super simple, super easy to make. And like I said, you can make this and have a bunch of it in the fridge and then have it for later. So that way you can have it for lunch today and breakfast tomorrow, whatever you want. But yeah, and if you want to drizzle some more hot sauce over or something to decorate, you could do that. But yeah, I need to eat this. I need to feed the cat since he's so hungry apparently. And yeah, enjoy. Let me know if you make it and what you think. If you do it differently, let me know. Another idea could be to either have like celery in there. Another idea would be to have avocado on top. But this is how I like it. So let me know what you think. And if you make it, I want to see it. So post photos and tag me. Comment on my posts if you make it and what you think. If you have suggestions of what you want me to make, please reach out to me on Instagram, Lace and Carbs. And that's it. I will see you guys next week. Bye.